Check, check.
Skibbity, Ohio. That went right in my Gliz factory.
Are we ready?
Hey guys, welcome back to Zachariah Mayfield's channel. My name's Zach,
that's my brother's channel. Guys, welcome back to my only channel on YouTube, Zach Mayfield. A lot of you guys said this is premium content, mostly just Josh Hart. We have a special guest behind the pole. Go ahead, reveal yourself. All right, so Andrew,
rizz.
explain the rules of this video.
So we're going to throw a little skibbity rizz on it this time. Zachariah or I and my wife are going to make a very obnoxious face gesture, open our mouth.
Verse.
And the other person has to make the sound effect that they think best fits with that person's facial structure.
It's an artistic expression. Rock, paper, scissors for who makes the sound first.
So whoever wins makes the
sounds. On Rizz or shoot?
Skibbity.
Okay.
1, 2, skibbity.
1, 2, skibbity. Skibbity, Abity, Ohio.
You're gonna make the face and...
Ew. No! What? That's not right.
What do you mean no?
I get to choose my face. That didn't feel good with me. Another face for you.
Let's do 3.
3 and switch?
Yeah.
Can we turn this down a little bit? I need the...
Gotcha.
Fuck. Fuck you, laddie.
Okay, here we go.
Shavarga.
You're making I was looking at you.
Nice working with you.
That wasn't even close.
I think we need to get Danny in here for a speed round.
You're right. All right, here, Danny, hop in for me. Everyone, give a round.
Yeah.
Welcome for Daniel Cruz.
Come on in, Daniel.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, welcome back to Danny Cruz Ministries. Now tell us again, how to be a woman.
You just do.
Skibbity.
Do you want to make faces or sounds?
Sounds. As the Amazon truck pulls up.
What have we got?
That was a good one.
Thank you.
You had the whole, like, the dip dive
Yeah, yeah.
and the rise. We've been trying to contact you about your cars. Is that what they do in Hunger Games?
I think so.
All right, we need Andrew in here for his
Brother
wife.
Bear,
Give
get
it
on
up
in.
for Andrew Bailey. Woo! Hop in, brother. Welcome back to Danny Cruz Ministries.
She's got toilet rizz.
Mega Ohio. 3, 2, 1.
1.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's my only channel.
Should we try the spit take again?
Ken, thank you for editing this.
Can you shut up over there? I'm trying to edit the next video.
Why don't we each do one more round?
Okay.
And then we go from there. We have the same shorts on, basically. Hey, I'm really sorry about that.
okay.
Let's play the next round.
I wasn't ready for that. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. We're good.
Okay. Take 3. Ready?
Take 3.
Why you do this?
Take 4.
Worth it. All right, my turn.
Like your turn for what?
I'll do the motions.
Sure. Goal. 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 Sound. Shh. Kids. Child. Child of God.
What?
Shaw. Yo. you want to end on this? This is
Yeah.
our finale.
All right, let's do it.
This one goes out to my mom and my son, not my dad or my wife. Good. Can I tell you what I had in my head? I was saying Blowburger.
What?
Blowburger.
Me, mama. Cheers, brother.
Cheers. Hey, thank you guys for watching.
Never watch again.
Subscribe to his channel.
I think I have 7 watchers or subscribers. So
Any thoughts?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
back to you.
Thank you. Oh, we just rizzed those toilets.